Right there. Alright, we're doing a little flexion distraction today, some Thompson drops.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a belly drop here on the table. Makes it a little bit more comfortable, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Pain level, Floyd?
Yeah, it's good.
Good. Yeah, it's crazy. They say, don't trust a skinny chef. Don't trust the chiropractor who's not in shape because we work all day.
I'm not doing
It's like doing isometric weightlifting all day. You don't move anything, but you put all your force in to make things release.
Oh, yeah.
Now that mid back last time, that one caught you by surprise, didn't it? You all right if I do that one again?
Here comes the other.
All right, here we go.
And down that leg.
Nope, that one's staying in.